Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's lecture is about obstetrical anatomy. Let's start. Obstetrical anatomy, which are the organs in the reproductive tract. These are ovaries, uterus, vagina, vulva. Accessory organs कौन से हैं? Pelvis takes part in birth process. Pelvis is the most important part. Success or failure of the birth depends on the amplitude of the pelvic channel, यानी कि साइज relation of pelvic amplitude to the fetal body size. The pelvis is composed of sacrum, oscocci, and the ligaments, and the coccygeal vertebrae. First two or three coccygeal vertebrae are involved in makeup of pelvis. In horses there are 5 sacrum bones, while in carnivores there are 3. There are 2 oscocci which are joined together to form the pelvis. Oscocci, each coxa is composed of ilium, ischium and pubis. The general direction of oscocci is obliquely backward and downward from the sacrum. The 2 oscocci curving at first outward and later inward to unite on the median line and with the sacrum to complete the oval pelvic inlet. 2 coxa unite to form the oval pathway for the passage of fetus. This is the whole skeleton. As you can see, there are all the important points are written on this. You can remember that. Now it's oscocci. As you can see, all the important points are written. This is ilium. This part is called ilium. This is ischium. This is pubis. Same on the other side. It is divided. There are 2 oscocci divided in midline. Here will be sacrum will here attach and complete the oval path. Ilium. What is ilium? It is a irregularly shaped bone. Broad, flat and dorsal part of ilium is referred as wing. Again the parts which I have previously shown you: tubercocci, hip bone, hook bone. Tubercocci is also called hip bone or hook bone. Hook bone, as you can see, this is the hook bone or hip bone. Ischium forms the caudal part of the ventral floor of the pelvis. Caudal lateral portion of these bones are referred to as the tuber ischii or pin bone. Pin bone, as you can see, this is called pin bone, and this is, as I earlier shown you, here the ilium, and this is the pin bone. Pelvic symphysis is formed by the medial fusion of ischium and pubis bones. In cow and Eve, the portion of the pelvic floor formed by 2 ischial is deeply concave from side to side. Concave, like this. Pelvic floor will be like this. to give more space for birth. Here again, pin bone, pubis, smallest bone. It is the smallest bone of the os coxae and form the cranial portion of the pelvic floor. Makes the cranial portion as ischium form the caudal portion of the pelvic floor, and the pubis bone form the cranial portion of the pelvic floor. Pelvic surface is smooth, in females concave and in males convex. This is the basic difference in the pelvis of the male and female. Acetabulum. What is acetabulum? Formed by the fusion of ilium, ischium and pubis. It is a it is a cavity where the hip joint formed. Head of femur resides in it, like this. This is acetabulum. Those bones form a cavity for lodging the head of femur, as I told you. Pelvic ligaments. Dorsal and lateral sacroiliac ligaments, sacrosciatic ligament, accessory ligament. These are three ligaments, as you can feel here. Extends from the lateral border of the sacrum and transverse process of the first coccygeal vertebrae to the ischial spine and tuber ischii. Provides attachment for large gluteal muscles and the vulva. Sacrosciatic ligament. It is this man is palpating sacrosciatic ligament. Prepubic tendon is the tendon of insertion of recti abdominis muscle except the transverse abdominis muscle. रेक्टी एब्डोमिनस मसल्स की इंसर्शन के लिए प्री प्यूबिक टेंडन यानी कि काम देता है. क्रेनियल बॉर्डर ऑफ द प्यूबिक बोन के क्रेनियल बॉर्डर से अटैच होता है ये टेंडन. सिग्निफिकेंस. फिक्सिंग द सैक्रोइलिक आर्टिकुलेशन एंड मेंटेनिंग द बोनी पेल्विस in proper position. This is the significance of the tendon. Sacroiliac ligament, as you can see in blue. Pelvis of all the domestic animals shown. Shapes of their pelvis. These are the cranial views and these were the caudal view from the back side of the animal. These are the main articulations present in the pelvis. Sacrolumbar, राइट सैक्रोइलिक, सैक्रम और इलियम के दरमियान, ये सैक्रम और लंबर वर्टिब्री के दरमियान. लेफ्ट सैक्रोइलिक, सैक्रोकोक्सीजियल, सैक्रम और कोक्सीजियल बोन्स के दरमियान जो आर्टिकुलेशन है, जो जॉइंट्स हैं. Istiopubic symphysis, where the ischium and pubic bones fuse together. There is also a articulation present there. Coxofemoral, hip joint की articulation जो है, that is called coxofemoral articulation also. These are the nerves that enter the pelvis. As you can see, L4, L5, L6, S1, S2 and S3. There are other branches